Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is on this look right here. It is a cranberry kind of smoky glam look. I wanted to do something that didn't have eyeliner because I know I don't have a ton of options without eyeliner. So this is one of those spring glam looks that's a little bit easier to do and also eyeliner free. Still, you know, had to go all out and dramatic. So this is by no means a soft look, but it is perfect for the upcoming seasons. And yeah, so if you're interested in seeing how to get this look, keep on watching. So starting off, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes with my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. This is just going to give us a really good canvas to work from, to where we don't have any creasing in our eyeshadow and everything stays in place all day. Then I'm going to go ahead and set that with a matte shadow from Kat Von D. You can set this with any shadow. This is just my favorite to set my lid with. Because this is just going to help everything blend out really nicely, so that way we don't have any patchiness since there's a lot of blending going on in this look. Then I'm going into the shade Paradox from Colourpop, and I'm slowly building this into my outer V and kind of crease area. This one worked very slowly with because of the intensity of this color. If you do too much in one area, it's not going to be super diffused. So I slowly built out my outer corner, and then I'm just slowly starting to build in my inner corner because I don't want this to be a hot mess all over my face. And then I'm just going to connect those two very gently, and then I'm taking a clean blending brush and I'm just buffing out those edges to where everything is nice and diffused. And I'm not really worried about what the middle of my lid looks like since I'm putting another shadow there. I just want the edges to be diffused. Then I'm going into Porter, and this is a really deep, like honestly a cranberry color. It's kind of like Paradox, just a lot deeper, and it's got a little bit more of a plum tone to it, so it's going to deepen up our outer corners. And I'm going just inside of that Paradox color, and I'm using a very dense like pencil type of a brush. And this one I'm not dragging through my crease, I'm just keeping that in my inner and outer corners. Then for my lid, I'm going into Weenie, also from Colourpop. This is a really pretty champagne toned pink. I love this shadow. I honestly hadn't opened up my single shadow drawer in my makeup collection in a while, and I found all of these, so that was another inspiration behind this look. I'm going to go ahead and line my tight line and my waterline with my Milani kohl eyeliner, and this is just going to make sure that our lashes blend really well and just going to keep the definition around our eyes to where it still has that glam look to it and our lashes look super full, you know, all the good stuff. Then I'm going in with my eBay eyelashes, and while the glue on that is getting tacky, I'm going to go ahead and put my mascara on. And this is my Rimmel Lash Accelerator Mascara. You guys know this is my favorite when it comes to wearing for long hours. I find that I have little to no fallout pretty much ever on my eyes, so definitely recommend if you're looking for a new mascara. And also too, it doesn't build up a ton in between my lashes and my fake eyelashes, so that way it doesn't just break down my fake eyelashes quite so quickly. Then I'm going in with my Nivea Men's Post Shave Balm, and I'm using this as my face primer today. You guys know this is one of my favorites. I don't even need to explain it at this point. I think I've used it every day for like 2 years at this point. Then for foundation today, I'm using my MAC Face and Body Foundation in C1. And again, this is my favorite foundation. It's super lightweight, it's waterproof, so it's not going anywhere at all throughout the day. This also, it doesn't have a full coverage, it's a very light coverage, but it buffs out your skin and blends everything, so you can still see your freckles through it, you can still see all of that, but it evens out redness and kind of unwanted tones. Then for concealer today, as you can see placement already, I'm using my MAC Longwear Concealer, and I'm doing this on my chin, my nose, and underneath my eyes to conceal and highlight all of those areas. This is, you guys know, my favorite concealer as well. They will forever and always be my favorite combo. And then to set my under eye concealer, I'm using my Ben Nye Colorless Luxury Powder, and I'm packing that in with a dry sponge from Real Techniques. And then I'll just be brushing away any extra. I'm not baking. Don't mistake this for baking. This is just packing this into my concealer so I don't have any creasing. Then I'm going into my Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. As you guys can see, it is well loved. And I'm taking the deepest shade in the palette, which has scared me for a long time and I haven't really used it a ton. But now that I've been using it, I figured out how to use it to where it doesn't make me look crazy. I like to use this on a huge fluffy brush and really give some depth to like the hollows of my cheeks, my hairline area, and just underneath my jawline, and really buff that out. And then I go in with the ash tone shade in the palette and I contour with it. And I have been loving this combo. Oh, so much. So much. And I'm usually minimal on the bronzer, but I've been going heavy on it recently. I'm like, yes. Oh, and this is just a brush from Moda. It's one of my favorites. Then this is the Color Zane, and I can't remember the name of the brand. I got it in Ipsy, in one of my Ipsy bags, and I actually love this blush, so I will definitely put it in the links below for you guys in the description box. But it is a perfect tone match for the look we're going for, and I did put it on my nose. I really have been digging doing that. It just adds a little bit of a flush of color to my face and helps tie everything together. And then for my highlighter, I can't remember the name of this, so I will put this in the description box as well, but it is also a Colourpop highlighter, and these are some of my favorites. Totally forgot I had them, so, you know, pulled those out, and I've worn them a ton since. But I'm highlighting my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my cheekbones, and I'm switching to a different brush to highlight my brow bone area, just where it's nice and intense and opaque. And then back to my eyes, I'm using Paradox, and I'm blending that in with a pencil brush. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is because I want this to be very smoked out. I'm going to connect it to my outer corner, and then I'm also putting this a little bit in my tear duct area and connecting the two. So I want everything to be very seamless. And I'm taking whatever is left over on my other brush and buffing everything out. Then I am going in with Paradox, or not Paradox, Porter, and I'm popping this just by my lash line just to deepen everything up. So we're doing the same thing we did on top, just below in a smaller version. And then I'm putting our lid color weenie in the middle on the bottom as well. And I'm popping a good coat of mascara on my lower eyelashes to where everything matches as far as like length and drama. And then I'm going into Teddy Bear liquid lipstick from Lime Crime. This is one of my favorite liquid lipsticks. I love the color. It is like a, I guess, smoked out like rose nude brown color, and it is, I totally forgot about this too in my makeup collection. It has definitely become one of my favorites, and I've worn it a lot since I found it. But yeah, the staying power on this is ridiculous, and I don't even think I reapplied it all the day that I wore this. It was pretty great. Then to set everything, I'm using my Mario Badescu facial setting spray, and I believe this is the cucumber scent that they have. I got a little collection of them, and I really like this one. Unfortunately, my dumb self spilled it all right after this video, so I will have to go get another one because I really like the way this one felt on my face. But that is everything for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, as well as let me know in the comments down below what else you guys want to see a video on, whether that's hair, makeup, fashion, advice, any of that good stuff. Let me know. And yeah, make sure you follow me on all my social media. I have Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Snapchat. All the names and links will be in the description box for you guys, so make sure to check all of those out, and also all the products used in this video will be linked below as well. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!